How to install TikTok on your laptop? So for the first step, you have to open your browser on your system. So like in my case, I'm opening the Chrome browser, and here you have to search for the TikTok and hit the enter. And here you have to visit the TikTok official website, tiktok.com. Okay, so TikTok has been opened. After opening the TikTok on your web, you will get the options to install on it. Like you will see the options to install TikTok on your laptop on the top right corner of your screen, like it is beside on the bookmark section. So simply you have to click on this install TikTok option. So simply click on this, and here is the confirmation. So simply click on this install option. Alright, so TikTok has been installed on my system. So you can see the TikTok has been installed on my system and it is up here on the desktop, and I can enjoy this TikTok on my laptop too. Like you can see, I can enjoy this video on my laptop. So on the alternative method, you will have to download it from Microsoft Store. Simply on this process, you will have to open Microsoft Store. So simply I'm opening the Microsoft Store. And similarly, here you have to search for the TikTok. Like now it is available on Microsoft Store too. So after you search for TikTok, it will appear on the top. So simply click on this. And here you got the options like get. So simply click on that. So right now I have already installed TikTok on my system. So simply you can also install from Microsoft Store. So if this video was helpful to you, don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon over there for more soft tech tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a good day.